Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Pittsburgh Unboxing with a big box from Amazon. Let's open it up. I have to go out to get food in a bit, feed Tiny one, come back. I tore up the house looking for my clipper card on my X-Cloud lanyard. It had disappeared. I don't know if someone came in and took it, or I lost it on the way home one day, but normally I hang around my neck so I don't lose it. That's why I got this X-Cloud lanyard. This box is fighting me. Okay. And then we have, I got the MacBook to work, but it's got some issues, probably because it needs a new hard drive. It does need a new battery. And we have the channel numbers. Very strange. I was writing Top Cat an email, and the email disappeared. And they're now saying there's no drafts. There it is. There it is. Okay, very weird. All right, let's look at my channel views. And then I'll open the box. Just did a live video. Very important item. Personally important to me, and very cool item. Okay, 1,508,576 views. Top Cat sent me something. Thank you, Top Cat. And now we'll open this up. And 20,069 subscribers. Subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content on not on the regular channel. I'm going to do 2 of those when I get back after I feed the cats. This is a very big box. I can't see what I'm doing. Let's get this out of the way. And I'm in photo booth right now because I am wanting to take the bus, and the light is hitting my nose. All right, we have the ever popular styrofoam, and then in this box, no branding box, just a big box. I could use the big box with all the paperwork I took off the desk, thinking I would find my clipper card, but nope. So now you've got this white thing here. This is from Amazon. I had Amazon and eBay purchases, and emptied the trash can earlier, emptied the recycling. This thing is fighting me a little bit. I shall prevail. The Black & Decker stopped making coffee, and I can not survive without coffee in the morning. Oh, God. Stuff. Oh, good Lord, they've got tape on here, too. Okay, there we go. Alright, we have the coffee maker with the scoop. The carafe. Make sure it doesn't fall on the floor and break. And we have this stuff covering it up. Plastic covering up the top lid. I broke the lid on top of the Black & Decker because it didn't have any issue with making coffee. Broke the back of it. And here is the programmable coffee maker. And it has programmable strength, hour, minute, on and off, but what makes absolutely no sense, there is no, I don't know how they expect you to know how to use this. There's nothing in here except the little copy scoop. Look in the box again. Oh, there it is. It's the Stealth manual It's in the bottom of the box. And it is a book-length novel. By the way, when I called Synchrony Bank, one call, the guy, I go, what the hell was that? And he started, I said, I'm not Spanish. I took Spanish in the 6th grade. That's 60 years ago. I forgot all because no one just talked to it. All right, here's the manual. I have to read this. No one to talk Spanish to because we moved from Washington, D.C. I used to talk to the ambassador from Mexico. And the only Latino person I knew, I was 10 years old. But when you don't use the language, you forget it. There was no one when we moved to San Francisco the first time that I knew that spoke Spanish, so I forgot it all. But I do have a program in my Apple II somewhere that will test me, and I did that once, and it was, I knew 400 words of Spanish. So the only thing I can remember is Quel er atil, which is what time it is, and how to say it in Spanish, but I can't remember right now how to go to the train station. I know in German, wo ist der Bahnhof? And my mother would not teach me. Now that's a description in French. So they have French here. And then they have protecciones importantes. Guarda estas instrucciones. Descripción del panel de control. Wrong control. Okay. Limpieza, almacenamiento y mantenimiento. So you may make sure your almacenamiento is working properly. There you go. And then Especials. And on the back, Amazon Basics. So this is an Amazon Basic coffee maker. I will try it out tomorrow. Alright, that's it for this one. Put that back in the bed so it doesn't get broken. Move those over there. Put the carafe in there. And put the manual on top of the carafe. Alright, have a great night. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Watch the skies. Bye-bye for now.